Welcome, everyone. My name is Melissa Luna. I'm a SHIP coordinator at New Mexico Aging and Long-Term Services Department. Today, I will be presenting on Making the Most of Medicare, Fall Open Enrollment 2023. Making the Most of Medicare, Fall Open Enrollment 2023. Katrina Holtram Lopez is our Aging and Long-Term Services Department Cabinet Secretary. I am Melissa Luna, the SHIP coordinator. Today we will discuss what is SHIP, understanding Medicare, what beneficiaries can do during Medicare Fall Open Enrollment, fraud red flags, and Aging Disability Resource Center Fall Open Enrollment Hybrid Counseling. Please also note that on the bottom of most of the slides, you will see our website that you can jot down and refer to, and our 1-800 number if you would like to give us a call. New Mexico SHIP. SHIP stands for State Health Insurance Assistance Program. In our program, we have federal partnerships, do counseling, education, outreach, all which is free and unbiased for people who are on Medicare and their family members and caregivers. If you do log into our website, this is the screen that you would see. Here are a few tiles that show some of the resources that are available to you. There are a lot more, so if you would like to log in at any time at your convenience and see what we have to offer, the resources that are available for you. Understanding Medicare. You have two options once you sign up for Medicare. Your first option is Original Medicare, which consists of Part A, your inpatient coverage, Part B, your outpatient coverage, and your Part D, which is your prescription coverage. You also have the opportunity of purchasing a Medigap plan if you have Original Medicare. If you do choose not to stay on Original Medicare, you may purchase a Medicare Advantage plan, which is also referred to as Part C, which bundles your Part A, your inpatient, your Part B, your outpatient, and in most cases, your Part D prescription insurance. Medicare 2023 updates. The Part B premium has been reduced from $170.10 to $164.90. Your Part B deductible has been reduced from $223 to $226. If you have an insulin that you need to fill, an insulin copay has capped where your insulin drug copays must be on your plan formulary as well, which would be capped at $35 per month. What beneficiaries can do during open enrollment are as follows. Prepare for fall open enrollment by doing the following things. Carefully review your current plan. Read your annual notice of change and/or your evidence of coverage. Think about changes to your health in the past year and your upcoming health needs. Explore plans using Plan Finder on Medicare.gov website. You can also call the ADRC for information and assistance. During open enrollment, you can change from Original Medicare to a Medicare Advantage plan, or you can change from a Medicare Advantage plan back to Original Medicare. You can also switch from one Medicare Advantage plan to another Medicare Advantage plan. And you can switch from a Medicare Advantage plan that doesn't offer drug coverage to a Medicare Advantage plan that offers drug coverage. You can switch from a Medicare Advantage plan that offers drug coverage to a Medicare Advantage plan that doesn't offer drug coverage. Join a Medicare prescription drug plan. Switch from one Medicare prescription drug plan to another Medicare prescription drug plan, and drop your Medicare prescription drug coverage completely. You can go to Medicare.gov and select Find Plans. This is what the website would look like if you go to Medicare.gov. You can compare plans information side by side, their premiums, their drug coverage, deductibles, and other items as well. Things to consider when choosing a new plan. Are your providers in network? Are your drugs on the plan's formulary? Is your pharmacy a preferred pharmacy for the plan? What additional benefits are offered by the plan? And how will changing plans affect your costs? Protect yourself from Medicare scams during open enrollment. You can sign up for scam alerts on our website, which is www.newmexicoaging.state.nm.us. There are fraud red flags during open enrollment to please look out for. Plans that are allowed to send you emails and or direct mailings. Plans are not allowed to call you or visit you in person to market their products without your permission. Plans who send emails must provide an opt-out option for people who no longer wish to receive them. Please disengage immediately if these items occur. When a plan pressures you to join their plan, someone tells you they represent Medicare and want to offer you a service for free, claims you are missing out on entitled plan benefits, offers health screenings or other activities that may be perceived as or used for cherry picking Medicare beneficiaries only, requires contact information at an event for a plan for anything other than raffle purposes, or informs you that you will lose your Medicare benefits unless you sign up for a certain plan. Fall open enrollment has hybrid counseling. Our 2023 fall open enrollment and hybrid counseling consists of the following. We use a beneficiary planning tool. Watch for an in-person event in your area. Aging and Disability Resource Center has live or callback assistance, and you may make SHIP appointments. We will be accepting appointments starting October the 1st of 2023. There is a beneficiary planning tool for remote counseling. You would need to enter your basic demographic information, also include your drug list and your dosages, and it's also designed to help counseling be as smooth and efficient as possible. The form you will be given would look something like this, where you could fill in your information once you're ready for your appointment. Want to learn more? Visit the Aging and Long-Term Services Department YouTube channel for workshops, tutorials, and more. The website is ALTSD New Mexico State YouTube. For the latest news, follow us on Facebook at New Mexico Aging and Long-Term Services Department. Customer satisfaction is a priority, so your feedback is important to us. Please do complete a brief survey at the following website, https://www.surveymonkey.com/r/ACLED. Thank you so much for this opportunity to present to you. I am Melissa Luna, the SHIP coordinator. You can reach our office at 1-800-432-2080 and at the website below as well. Thank you very much, and everybody have a wonderful day.